boys want to build a kicker jump, cheapest way to go would definitely be a pallet. So you're going to help me, aren't you? Okay. It might absolutely be better there. These are support brackets I've put in now. That's going to come through, so I'll end up cutting the excess off here. A 6 centimetre gap between these. This is to add the stability. I can picture you both going over the handlebars. Now to make sure it's even on both sides. Easy. It's all finished and it's all done. So we're all finished, but these boys are keen to go and send it. So let's go send it.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.